Guangzhou Hongda Craft Company Limited was established in 2009. Our company is an enterprise focused on researching, developing, producing, and selling DIY mini products. Products are related to construction, painting, paper, clothes, folk arts, and crafts, including a wealth of scientific knowledge and world cultures. We insist on producing meet the standard of products and providing sincere services in order to meet consumers' demands. We have developed many types of product: mini dollhouse, mini wooden furniture, DIY wooden creative painting, DIY wooden flower, DIY wooden dinosaur, DIY music box. For dollhouse, size scale 1 to 24. Products with various styles: Chinese style, Japanese style, Europe style, and other creative styles. It brings a lot of fun to the people. For other types product, we use UV printing technology to make products more easy to assembly and suit for younger people. This is a product that promotes parent-child bonding, a gift that can create a temperature, and a product that allows you to create unlimited creative space. It's full of entertaining and fun, and it can be a decoration in your home. We sell the products to Europe, Asia, South Asia, North American. Let's start to build your dream house and share your love to all around the world together.